and welcome to another episode of ABA My Life, where we talk about using concepts and principles of applied behavior analysis to life hack. For the next month, we will be getting parents, guardians, and caretakers ready for the new school year with tips and tricks for back to school. For this first week, let's talk about setting that routine. Remember, in your routine, there you will find success. Everyone's routine is different. Do you require your kids to make their bed in the morning? Do you or your kid make lunch to take to school? Let's start getting in that routine now, or whatever that will look like. Morning times are hectic. The more kids you have to get ready, the crazier the morning gets. To release some of the craziness and unpredictability the mornings bring, let's make lunches the night before. Incorporate into a nighttime routine before showers or whatever you do before going to bed. In my line of work, the biggest morning struggle that causes disruptive behavior is, what am I going to wear? If we are dealing with toddlers, that could easily be the start to a tantrum. Let's eliminate that and lay out the clothes the night before. Let's also try and take this time to practice independence with our kids and let them choose what they're going to wear. If they are at that age where you're still putting out whatever they need to wear. If you can, take it a step further and choose clothes for multiple days ahead of time. Well, that's the tip for today. Come back next week for more back to school tips and tricks. Before we go, if you are in the Jacksonville, St. Augustine, or Orange Park area, we are accepting new clients with Medicaid insurance for ABA services. We have no wait list at this time. If you need assistance navigating how to start this process, please contact us. Now, let this school year be the best school year. Please comment, like, and share.